These Goo Gaga AI videos are going viral everywhere right now. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. Channels are already racking up millions of views on these, and we're still in the early days of this niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for Goo Gaga Prompt Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to ask you how many scenes you'd like to create. I'm going with 5 for this one. Now, it'll give you 5 detailed image prompts and video prompts, one set for each scene you're going to create. But before you start generating anything, click this link in the GPT to get the character reference image. This is really important. It locks in all the details of the girl's outfit and appearance, so every single image looks like the same character. Save that image and come back. Now just copy your first image prompt and head over to OpenArt. Link is in the description of this video. In OpenArt, select Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Drag your character reference image into the prompt box, then paste your prompt in on top of it. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. Do the exact same for all of your remaining image prompts, and you should end up with images like these. The girl from our reference image stays consistent across every single scene. Once you're happy with them, go to your first image and click on Image to Video. Click on Model and select Kling 3.0 as your video model. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, and paste it in. Make sure the audio toggle is on. Set your output to anywhere between 5 and 8 seconds and 1080p quality, then hit Generate. Now just do the exact same for every clip and wait for them all to finish. Once they're done, add all your clips together in your editing software, and it should look something like this.
Gugugaga. 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 Gugugaga.
So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.